All right, what's good, boys? I'm gonna go over a break-even recap today. No news Monday. I could have gotten away with a TP, but I'll kind of get into that and why I wanted to, stretch it a little further to, a little over a 1 to 2, pretty much. But yeah, again, unfortunate break-even. It's all good. It happens. Um, yeah, let's hop into what I was thinking today. This morning I got on around 10 just because it was kind of it was a no news Monday. I honestly wasn't really even gonna look to trade in the first place, but we had a pretty decent setup, to be honest with you. At open, pretty much we just ripped up. We took out Asia highs, um, and then we hit this 1 hour right here, and there was actually a nice long that I would have taken if I was on the charts at the time. And let me get into that quick. So down here around 9:45, there was this huge 5 minute that ended up forming right here, right? So then if we zoom down to the 1 minute, I mean, for a continuation trade, all I'm looking for is I tap into a 5 or 15 and then taking an inverse out of that. And there was pretty simple, just a 2 minute inverse right here that I would have taken for probably like a little 1 to 1 type of thing. Just like this, pretty simple. Would have taken that, boom, 1 to 1, I'm out there. I wasn't on the charts, unfortunately, it's all good. And then after we tapped into the 1 hour, and the 1 hour also closed at 10 a.m. So this becomes an intermediate high. So then we came back up, we swept it, put in an SMT, showed some good displacement. And then pretty much we inversed the 2 minute here. And that was my entry. Put my stop at the protected high. We had some good low resistance liquidity down here. We actually showed some really good displacement right away. And then this low down here was a 5 minute intermediate low. So that was my break even point. I mean, played out perfectly, right? I mean, you could have TP'd down here for like a 1 to 1.2, but personally, I was a little more short term bearish down to this 15 minute. I wanted to see the 15 minute get hit. It's unfortunate that we didn't, but I mean, we were risk off once we hit this low, and that's what I told myself from the jump. So, unfortunate break even, but it happens. It's all good. So yeah, break even on the day. Looks like I saved myself, from this loss. It looks like we're gonna continue pumping for now. So yeah, I mean, I'm not mad about it. The setup was there. It was a good setup, to be honest. And yeah, I'm not gonna stay on the charts. I don't want to self sabotage myself or anything. There's no point in doing that. You got the rest of the week to you know have some good setups. Hopefully, some good delivery. We have news pretty much the rest of the week. So yeah, we'll see what the rest of the week brings. And yeah, pretty quick recap today. Nothing too crazy. So yeah, I'll see you boys hopefully sometime the rest of the week for some more recaps. I'm gonna try to post some more live executions and things like that. So yeah, and also CPI tomorrow. So I'm gonna be trying to pass some more evals, just with one candle. Apex Alpha Futures Tradeify. I have my Apex code Mather. I'm gonna leave it down below, and also a link to Alpha Futures if you want to grab some zero accounts for tomorrow. And then the last link that will be down there is my Discord, my mentorship. I highly suggest you join up or at least check it out, give it a shot. It's so much cheaper than all these other traders and stuff. I'm not doing it for money. I'm doing it to help. And yeah, I suggest you guys check it out at least, give it a shot. So yeah, I'll catch you boys hopefully tomorrow or Wednesday. Have a good one. Peace out.